Hello, hi guys, hello world. Today, Italian reading, Italian English reading as usual. Italian English credits to Ercole Guidi, the translator, that it sounds to me very good, very good. The link is from Ercole Guidi, so credits to Mr. Ercole Guidi, antologia of Italian writers, and today we go for the amazing Oriana Fallaci. Romanzo Reading Italian English 21, un cappello pieno di ciliege. Romanzo di Oriana Fallaci, translation Ercole Guidi. Many thanks to Mr. Guidi, that in my opinion he made a fantastic translation. Introduction. Un grande romanzo sulla storia della nostra famiglia, dal respiro ottocentesco che commuove, incanta e fa sorridere, intriso com'è della sua sfacciata ironia. English. A great novel on the history of our family that has the breadth of a 19th century novel that moves, enthralls, and makes one smile, filled as it is with her bold wit. Paragraph by paragraph, guys. Ok, Italian English. Ora che il futuro s'era fatto corto e mi sfuggiva di mano con l'inesorabilità della sabbia che cola dentro una clessidra, mi capitava spesso di pensare al passato della mia esistenza, cercare lì le risposte con le quali sarebbe giusto morire. Now that the future has narrowed and was slipping through my fingers with the steadfastness of sand sifting through an hourglass, I often caught myself thinking of the past of my existence, seeking there the answers with which it would be fair to die. Perché fossi nata, perché fossi vissuta e chi o che cosa avesse plasmato il mosaico di persone che da un lontano giorno d'estate costituiva il mio io. Why I had been born, why I had lived, and who or what had molded the mosaic of people that since a summer day long past constituted myself. Naturalmente sapevo bene che la domanda perché sono nato se l'eran già posta a miliardi di esseri umani ed in mano, che la sua risposta apparteneva all'enigma chiamato vita, che per fingere di trovarla avrei dovuto ricorrere all'idea di Dio. Oh mamma mia, amazing, love this. Naturally, I knew well that billions of human beings had already put to themselves the why was I born question, and to no avail that its answer belonged to the enigma called life, that in order to feign finding it, I would have to resort to the notion of God. Espediente mai capito e mai accettato, an expedient I could never understand nor accept. Però, non meno bene, sapevo che le altre si nascondevano nella memoria di quel passato, negli eventi e nelle creature che avevano accompagnato il ciclo della formazione. E in un ossessivo viaggio all'indietro lo dissotterravo, riesumavo i suoni e le immagini della mia prima adolescenza, della mia infanzia, del mio ingresso nel mondo. Nonetheless, I knew equally well that the other answers were hidden in the memory of that past, in the events and creatures that had accompanied the cycle of formation, and in an obsessive backward journey, I was now digging it up. I was exhuming the sounds and the images of my early adolescence, of my childhood and my entrance into the world. Una prima adolescenza di cui ricordavo tutto: la guerra, la paura, la fame, lo strazio, l'orgoglio di combattere il nemico a fianco degli adulti e le ferite inguaribili che ne erano derivate. An early adolescence whereof I remembered everything: the war, the fear, the hunger, the misery, the pride of engaging the enemy alongside the grown-ups, and the incurable wounds that had come of it. Questo spiega perché la saga da scrivere, la fiaba da ricostruire con la fantasia, includa all'inizio 3 personaggi ai quali non mi lega alcuna parentela e che tuttavia furono coinvolti nel mio venire al mondo. This explains why the saga to be written, the fairy tale to be reconstructed by fancy, include at the outset 3 characters to whom I am in no way related, and whom nevertheless were involved with my coming into the world. Thomas Jefferson, il principale artefice della dichiarazione di indipendenza americana e terzo presidente degli Stati Uniti, che in Virginia viveva e possedeva molte terre, cui si dedicava con l'entusiasmo di un agronomo. Thomas Jefferson, the principal author of the American Declaration of Independence and third President of the United States, who in Virginia was wont to dwell, and where he owned large tracts of land to which he dedicated himself with the enthusiasm of an agronomist. Guys, I'm not sure that Thomas Jefferson was the third president. May please I check, cross-check. Oh, I don't have internet here. Okay, later. I will check. I'm just a doubt. Benjamin Franklin, il geniale scienziato e scrittore e politico della colonia chiamata Pennsylvania, che fra le altre cose inventò il parafulmine e la stufa a combustione. Benjamin Franklin, the ingenious scientist and writer and politician from the colony called Pennsylvania, who among other things invented the lightning rod and the circulating stove. E il fiorentino Filippo Mazzei, medico, commerciante, memorialista, esperto di agricoltura, avventuriero di classe nonché amico di quei due. And the Florentine Filippo Mazzei, physician, merchant, memorialist, expert of agriculture, first-rate adventurer, as well as a friend of those two. coinvolgimento che induce a riflettere sulla comicità del destino e sull'inopportunità di prenderlo troppo sul serio. An involvement that prompts one to reflect upon the comic quality of destiny and on the inexpediency of taking it too seriously. Guys, I put the link, okay, always I do, okay, to give credit to the author, to the people involved in this amazing opera of knowledge and divulgation, and okay, and also I give credit to the translation by Mr. ERCOLE GUIDI, that overall I had a good vibe. A little dubbed on something, but I approve. I approve. All right, guys. Thank you very much, and see you next. Bye. Ciao.